Water has a very important property, and this property is what is known as solubility. That means how fast the things can dissolve in water. Now the rate at which something can dissolve in water depends on three factors, and we would be talking about these three factors one by one. So I take a simple example of salt and I want to mix it into water. Or let me make it simple. I take sugar and I want to mix it into water. What are the factors in which the rate at which the sugar would dissolve in water would increase? One, if I increase the temperature, that means if this water is hot water, then the rate at which the sugar would dissolve would speed up. One water is at room temperature and one water is, let's say, 80 degrees Celsius. I am putting equal amount of sugar in it. So this is the amount of sugar that I am putting in this flask. The amount of sugar that I am putting is same. This would take less time to mix in comparison to the one at the room temperature. The reason being simple, higher the temperature, faster it dissolves. The next is agitation. Agitation means movement in simple terms. That means, let's say I take two flasks, both at room temperature only, and this is the amount of sugar in both. Now, one I just fill water and wait for the sugar to dissolve. Another I fill water and take a stick, and with the stick I keep it moving in the water. So what would happen? This would dissolve faster. Probably when your mother is giving you milk with Horlicks or Complan, that's what she does, that she moves the spoon within the milk, and that would make the dissolution of Horlicks or Complan faster, or Bonvita, whatsoever you like, right? And the same happens with temperature. If you are doing that in cold milk and if you are doing that in hot milk, it would be easier in the hot milk. It would be easier when you are stirring or moving it.